Money is everything nowadays in our lives. You can't be happy without money. Even in your relationship, you can't be happy because sometimes, guys, people they say the relationship doesn't matter about money. Nowadays, guys, you can't be happy even in your marriage. You know that your husband doesn't have money. You don't have money in your house. You can't be happy, guys, in your marriage. So sometimes don't say that money is not everything. If you know that you are broke, when you are broke, guys, you don't have energy or to be happy. You know that a broke face, a person who is broke, you can see with face that person doesn't have money most of the time. So sometimes don't say money is not everything. You can't be happy in your marriage without money, and you know that your wife can't be happy when she knows that you don't have money most of the time. You don't have money and your girlfriend is not happy. But when you want to make your wife happy, you've got money in your house. You are doing everything with money. Guys, money is everything. You can say you can be happy in your marriage or in your family without money. No, it doesn't make any sense nowadays, guys, because money can do everything in relationship, can do something in marriage sometimes. So sometimes we have to work hard and you've got money most of the time. Hustle hard, guys, because you can't say as a man that your relationship doesn't matter with money. No, guys, your wife can't be happy when she knows that you are broke. See the time when you are broke, you know that women sometimes we have got in character. We don't treat you well when we know that you don't have money, but at end of the month we know that you are getting paid. I treat you as like a king in our house, as my husband, because I know that you have got money and I want money from you. So you can say that relationship doesn't matter about money. No, guys, money is everything. Even in our lives, you can't do anything, even luxury life, wearing, guys, good clothes, eat nice food. It's money, you understand? So you can't say there is nothing. What relationship is very important than money. Relationship doesn't care about money, guys. Nowadays you can't date a man who is broke. Nowadays you can't date a man who is not giving you any cent. January to December, your boyfriend doesn't give you any cent. We are say you are good, you are happy in your relationship, or your husband doesn't give you money, you say you are happy. No, guys, money is everything nowadays. We have to do something with money, you understand? Money have got something to do in relationship, even in marriage. You can't be happy in your marriage, you know that you don't have money most of the time, you understand it?